One more limit. When is enough enough? Okay, we're not going to go ahead and plug a 7 in. If we were to plug in a 7, we would end up with that indeterminate form. So let's try to simplify. We'll factor. That's the limit as x approaches 7. I don't have anything for the top. But for the bottom, I could factor that into x minus 7 and x plus 5. I'd like to reduce if I can. Look at these two right here. 7 minus x and x minus 7. There's something going on. They're not exactly the same. They're exactly opposite. And if they are exactly opposite, we're going to cancel them and place a -1. Now that -1 can be on the top. It's very safe on the side. It could be distributed in the bottom. So what remains? We still have a 1 up top. We still have an x and 5 in the bottom. I've got no more simplifying to do. I'm ready to plug it in. That's the opposite of 1 divided by 7 and 5. That's -1/12. That's the limit.